GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it. Hollywood you no longer gotta look pathetic. Gizzy.
Mi gente, what's good with you? Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results videos for you guys. Shout out to everyone who watches our YouTube and Facebook live every Monday, 6 p.m. is the GizzyCredit Team podcast. We go into anything economics, finance, real estate investing, anything about real estate, anything pertaining to your credit. We definitely show you, and we give out free information, valuable information that will teach you how to do what you want to do with your credit and how to do it so you could maximize your results in getting what you want without running that many inquiries. Anyways, got some more credit repair results for you guys. Thank you so much for the people who subscribe and hit the notification bell on our videos, and make sure that you tune in because we have more of these credit repair results. If you're looking for a quote, you already know what to do. Text me your email address or DM me your email address or email me in this information below right here, and I'll send you my how to start credit repair information that has more information. Let's get into these credit repair results right now. Let's do it. A lot of you started credit repair, and congratulations to you. Now it's time to give you guys credit repair results and let you know what happened in the last 30 days or in between those 30 days in which you get results and see what negative items are removed. Remember that customer and friend of mine since high school that I had that lives in West Orange, New Jersey? Here are her results. Okay, here are the initial deletions. Sunrise Credit Services. We have a Nelnet negative account removed from the Experian credit file. We always look at the amount of negative accounts that come off in the first 30 days. Now, this is just for Experian. So you got a couple of negative accounts removed. We still have some more. Not a problem. This is something that we take over. We redispute until everything is removed and send out the next round. Anyways, my people, you're looking for a credit repair quote? Let me know. DM me your email address and I'll send you my how to start. Let's come up. Now, this customer already is in the process of purchasing her new home. So shout out to her. Let's keep going. Your boy GizzyCredit here. Hey, many of you started credit repair. Congratulations to you. But now it's time to give you guys credit repair results. Let's check out these credit repair results from this customer from Cleveland, Ohio on his Experian first round removals. Some people contact us and they think they know what has been removed. This customer claimed that we would only remove one account, but in reality, we removed 3 accounts from his Experian. And here is the proof that we removed his negative accounts. Okay, AFNI collection, Transword system, another collection account, and ARS account resolution. This customer got results on all 3 bureaus in the first round. We were able to remove all of his collections in the first round. Congratulations to him. Not everyone is the same in credit repair, but everyone, as you can see, gets results. If you're looking for a quote, you already know. DM me your email address and I'll send you my info. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here. Hey, a lot of you have started credit repair. Congratulations to you. Now it's time to give you guys credit repair results. Let's check out these results for this customer from Atlanta, Georgia, who started a month ago and review his Experian credit file. As we can see, we weren't able to remove his bankruptcy or first premier card, but we were able to remove the Capital One, the Settlement One data, and Credco First American cards. No worries on not being able to remove the bankruptcy or the first premier in the first round. It's fine. Now we redispute, and remember, we commit to your file until everything is removed. Credit repair is a process. Hope you understand that. GizzyCredit. What is good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here coming through. A lot of videos making today. Listen, A lot of you started credit repair. Thank you so much, and having confidence in us to come through for you. As you can see, we show people results all the time, and we do everything legit and to the point, to the max, to the best of our abilities. Disputing online, we have our own proprietary way of doing things. That's why you mess with us. Anyways, let's check out these results videos for this customer in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Let's review what results we got for his Equifax in his first round. Alrighty, as we can see right here, Department of Education, Navy and Department of Education, item has been deleted. Item has been deleted. We have one more account to remove. That's totally fine. Now we wait to redispute the other negatives. Come through for you. You already know. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here. Another credit repair results videos to people who started credit repair. You already saw the previous video on credit repair results for Experian for a customer, for Equifax for a customer in Colorado Springs. Here are his TransUnion credit repair results. Alrighty, as we can see, we're able to remove his collection bureau, Fountain Credit Systems, and Federal Credit Union were deleted. Customer started credit repair with his wife, so she's also getting results as well. I'm going through a lot of videos right now showing you guys the results that we get for people in the first round and results that we get for people in general. This is what we do all day, every day. Your boy, GizzyCredit. And by the way, a lot of you who start credit repair as a couple, you already know you guys get a discount for the service. So most definitely, appreciate you guys starting at the same time. You get a discount if you both start at the same time. Even if I have 3 or 4 people or 5 people, we give you all a great discount so you could start the process. And let's continue. So my people, your boy GizzyCredit here, back at it again, giving out another credit repair results. Remember, the previous customer that you saw results for, that was his file. Now his wife started credit repair at the same time, so they got a discount for the service, but she's also getting results as well. Let's check out her TransUnion initial credit repair results. Alrighty, as we can see right here, we see the collection bureau. All right, and the MRSBPO have been deleted. My people, this is only the first round of disputes. So we're getting the results, we're seeing what to dispute next, and we send out accordingly if we're going to dispute online or dispute by mail this time. But most definitely, we commit to the file until everything is removed. Remember, you could watch all of our credit repair results videos on YouTube channel, link in my bio. My people, your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer. Many of you have seen. Put my hat on because it's quarantine and my hair has been quarantined. You can see. Anyway, shout out to this customer from Jamaica Queens. Shout out to all the people in Jamaica Queens area, all the Caribbean people. All right, who like what is it? Not Rasta music, Sosa music. Anyways, got results for this customer. He's a referral. Thank you so much for referring us. Everything removed from his Equifax. Let's go. Okay, mi gente, as you can see, all these addresses and everything removed. But check this out right here. As you can see, Macy's, Sally Mae, Capital One, TD Banknote, Capital One, BMW Financial, all these deleted. Mi gente, what's good with you? Hope all is well. Results videos. I got a whole bunch of results video to make. Hopefully, I'll be able to get. Normally, though, if you've seen from a lot of my videos, I make my own video for a video like that, especially when I get everything removed in the first 30 days. It's just amazing work and it deserves its own video. But right now, in order to save time and because we have so many results, I want to give you guys at least 10, 11 credit repair results videos at a time. So you can see that, hey, we're here, we're working for you. Let's continue. At least 10 of them, so expect a lot more videos. Right now, let's check out these results. Removal of a mortgage from a credit report. Equifax, that is. Let's go. So as you can see, these results came April 6th. Deleted a couple of addresses. That account was verified, but if you look right over here, you see account has been deleted, and this is a $518,000 mortgage. Wow. Okay, let me show that again. Removal deleted from the credit file. You can see only one more negative account left to remove from the first round from Equifax. Great results for this person. If you want a quote for the service, you already know. DM me your email address and I will send you my info. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer out in Washington, D.C. Shout out to the people in the DMV area, always contacting me for credit repair. Anyways, let's review this TransUnion credit repair results. Let's go. Alrighty, my people, as you can see, we got Capital, Harris & Harris collection account, 4 negative accounts removed in the first 30 days. We're just TransUnion results from last month. Like I said before, I'm going back through all these results videos that I haven't posted because I've been getting new equipment, and now I have time to make these results videos. So if you're looking for a credit repair quote, you already know, text me your email address or DM me your email address and I will send you my info. See you soon. People, I know I'm posting this on Instagram, but a lot of these videos are going to go to my YouTube channel because I'm condensing all of them and coming up with 10 videos for 10 minutes each. So these results are for my customer from West Orange, New Jersey. I know her since high school. Anyways, love helping out friends that I know from a long time ago. This is the friend from high school that we started the video with. She's still getting results. Like I said before, she's in the process of getting a mortgage right now. Bendiciones right there. Review her Equifax results. Alrighty, as we can see, we got some addresses here that were removed. A lot of stuff that was deleted. But as you can see right here, Nelnet, alright, service has been deleted. Nelnet, ASC, that's all student loans. Those of you who always ask if we could remove student loans, yes, we can remove student loans. Anyways, my people, shout out to you. If you're looking for a credit repair quote, DM me your email address and I'll send you my info. Let's go. Now, my people, this is my video that I do every time someone gets or wants a credit repair quote. When I have time, I make them. But you can still email me and you'll get a quote immediately. Normally Monday through Saturday, you get an email back fairly quickly. And then Sundays we take off during the day, and late afternoon we start working. But if you want to get the credit repair process started and you need to pay for the service immediately to start, we definitely take our time out that Sunday and help you out. Let's continue with the credit repair quote video, and this is how it'll look like. What's good, my people? GizzyCredit here. Listen, I've been lost. No, not really. I actually got a new computer, getting a new setup over here, and haven't had any time to make new videos. But today, I'm making this video for a customer here on Instagram looking for a credit repair quote. Let's review his file and see what we're going to be working with. So as we can see, these are the customer's credit scores right now. These are the negative items that he has on each bureau that also need to be removed, and a couple of inquiries as well. People, you're wondering where I've been? We've been actually giving out a lot of quotes. A lot of people have been starting credit repair with us, so definitely we're not shying away. I promise you. See, got all these Instagram posts that I made of credit repair results, but I still got all these to go. Anyway, see ya later. So, mi gente, you already know, we don't shy away from not only giving you guys education through our every Monday 6 p.m. podcast, but we also give our credit repair results. Now, many of these results, if you don't follow me on Instagram at GizzyCredit on Instagram, you won't see these results. A lot of you don't have. Maybe you don't like to have Instagram, and maybe you like watching me just on YouTube, which is totally fine. But I just want to show you these credit repair results because anyone can get results. And if you see my videos from all these 10 years, everyone gets results. Okay, there also, I have more videos coming up that shows you the whole process of you being a customer, and I'm showing you a whole bunch of emails because this is a team effort. Whatever you get in the email form or whatever you get in paper form, you forward it over to us. We review, we let you know to keep it or to disregard it. Anyways, my people, thank you so much for watching the video, staying this long. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. Your boy, GizzyCredit.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change.